a little over $8.9 billion. Total expenditure budget for the Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining in the 2015-2016 financial year. The money will continue key projects and implement new ones within the sector and offset operational costs and compensation packages for workers. During the fiscal year 2015-2016, the Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining will use a combined $4.1 million to promote and encourage investment in metallic and non-metallic minerals. A further $20 million will be used to foster and advance the national policy and strategy for science and technology. More capacity strengthening follows with the increased spending power of the Scientific Research Council, SRC. Among other things, the SRC will contribute to the technological development of priority sectors and provide quality scientific technology solutions. Over $27 million will go towards the Earthquake Unit to do further seismic research. This year, the unit will publish a document on Jamaica's seismic code and maps, contribute data to the Caribbean Tsunami Warning Program, implement an effective earthquake early warning program, and release information to guide the National Building Code. In the area of energy, the Rural Electrification Program, now renamed National Energy Solutions, will construct 30 kilometers of pole line extensions in 10 parishes and wire 1,000 houses to facilitate formal connection to the national grid, reducing the remaining 3% of unconnected areas. Other works will get done through funding from bilateral and multilateral partners. These are in the areas of energy security, efficiency and conservation. To advance the Information, Communications and Technology sector ICT, the eGov Jamaica unit has been allocated $1.4 billion to support initiatives such as the National Identification Systems, Human Capital Management System, Enterprise Content Management, and the Government Network, GovNet. With its budget of $250 million, the e-learning project will continue building out the technology infrastructure and lend support services to the Ministry of Education. $700 million will be used to extend the Tablets in Schools project. 17,920 computer tablets will be distributed in 25 additional institutions island-wide. Work under the Enhancing the ICT Regulatory Environment project will enable the government to facilitate future broadband development while tailoring market interventions to complement private sector investments. Meanwhile, $70 million is allocated to provide more opportunities for young persons who are skilled in animation. Under the Youth Employment in Digital and Creative Industries project, 190 computers, 385 tablets, 335 2D software licenses, and 40 software upgrades for an animation laboratory will be purchased. It will also allow the procurement of consultancy services for animation training programs and facilitate the development of Digital Jam and Kingstoon. So as the Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining puts strategic plans in place to strengthen its capacity, improve human capital development and social infrastructure, and facilitate investments, government is also putting the funds in place to carry them out.